So, because I'm capable of a special kind of masochism, I soldered up a Charlieplex circuit for my charge bay. I'm not quite sure how I'm going to mount it yet. You can see it running off of a Arduino Nano. But setting the LEDs to a certain array, I found this Charlieplex board from DigiStump, which saved me some sanity points. I had attempted it several times on my own and got wires crossed. So this actually works. And once it's inside the charge bay, we will take a look. So once mounted in the charge bay, it should look pretty different. I wanted something other than all red LEDs, so I mixed it up a little bit. So it makes it a little more visually interesting. But getting it to mount in there is going to be my next little trick of how I'm going to fit it on there. My original attempts were on breadboard, but I kept shorting them, so this will be different. Thought I would share.